In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blend multiple images in OpenArt. By the end, you'll know how to set a background, layer in a second image, fine-tune the blend, and export your result with confidence. Start on the OpenArt homepage and look to the left-hand panel. That sidebar is your control center. Choose Image to open the Image tools, then head into the Blend board. This is the workspace designed specifically for compositing and merging visuals. Begin by uploading the image you want as your background. Pick something high resolution if you can. A clear base makes everything else look better. Once it appears on the canvas, resize it by dragging the corner handles. If the image looks too small, simply enlarge it until it fills your frame or matches the composition you have in mind. Keep an eye on proportions as you scale to avoid stretching. Next, add your second image as a new layer. Click Add Image Layer and select the picture you want to blend with your background. When it loads, look for the Creativity or Blending control. You'll usually see options like Blend Subtle and Blend Strong. Subtle keeps more of each original image's detail and is great for realistic composites. Strong pushes the merge further and can create more stylized, unified results. Choose the option that suits your project. And don't worry, you can adjust and preview as you go. Use the eye icon on a layer to quickly show or hide it. This is helpful for checking alignment or comparing before and after. If a layer isn't working out, the delete icon removes it cleanly. There's also a background toggle on the image layer. Turning it off effectively removes that layer's background, which is ideal for isolating a subject. If you notice soft edges after removal, try resizing slightly or repositioning to blend it more naturally with the background. With the second layer visible, resize it using the corner handles and place it exactly where you want it on the canvas. Think about perspective, lighting direction, and shadows. Small adjustments here make a big difference. When your composition looks right, click Blend, and give the tool a moment to process the result. If the outcome needs refinement, adjust your layer size, position, or creativity strength and blend again until you're satisfied. To finish, export your image by downloading it as JPG or PNG. JPG keeps file sizes small and works well for photos, while PNG preserves transparency and crisp edges. You can also save your work to generation history so you can revisit or iterate later. That's it. Clean, controlled image blending in OpenArt from setup to export.